Well, as we know, the cruise industry in Orkney has been growing over the past few years, but today marks a particular event, which is our 1,500th cruise ship since we started keeping records, and our 750,000 cruise passenger. So it marks a number of things, but not least the huge effort that goes in across Orkney to support them, but also the benefit that it brings to Orkney. So we think that's something worth celebrating.
I think it's a really good addition to the traditional industries we have. A real supplement to the farming, fishing, and some of the more traditional things. It's a growing industry, so it's going to, over the next number of years, we can expect to see substantial growth. That's got to be managed, I realise, but the value is quite significant in terms of pound notes for the size of economy we have. If we're going to be taking in more than 100,000 people a year, if each of them spend just a little, it amounts to quite a substantial amount of money.